How are you? Today we'll explain from the book, volume number 1, lesson number 4, topic 1. Understand decimal place value. What about place value of the digit like this number? What about 0.265? We called it 265 thousandths. The value of digit 2 tenths and 6 hundredths and 5 thousandths. Okay, we have the value of each digit here. 2 lies in the tenths place, and here hundredths, and 5 lies in thousandths place. Okay, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Look at with me about the example here. Like this number 245 thousandths. This number 2 lies in tenths place, 4 lies in hundredths, 5 lies in thousandths. It will be 0.2. If we write 245 thousandths, we can write 2 over 10 plus 4 over 100 plus 5 over 1000. The value of each digit, we can write 2 tenths, 4 hundredths, 5 thousandths. Okay, the number we called it 245 thousandths. And we can use how many hundredths are on 1 tenth. We know 1 over 10 equivalent 10 over 100. Then 1 tenth equal 10 hundredths, because we can reduct by 10 numerator and denominator. Okay. What about this number? What about 9 and 85 hundredths? We can write 9 and 8 tenths and 5 hundredths. Okay, this is the answer about this question. 5 lies in hundredths place, 9 in the ones, 8 in the tenths place. We called it 9 and 85 hundredths. 9 and 85 hundredths. And what about next page? Here we can write the answer here. Relation between two numbers, there are 10 hundredths in 1 tenths, because 1 over 10 equivalent 10 over 100 reduced by 10 numerator and denominator. Then we can write 1 tenths equivalent 10 hundredths. They are equivalent. Okay, understood? Next question about next page. We can ask you about this example. 1.4 equal 1.40, and we can write this like write 0 0 0 0 to be equal 1.4. We can put a lot of zeros by right hand side. They are equivalent. And the number 3 and 453 thousandths, 2 3, why as each 3 has a different value. Yeah, so there's here a value about the first digit. 3 here lies in the ones place. The value of digit 3, it will be 3 and 453 thousandths. It will be 3 over 10. 3 here numbers, and 4 over 10, and 5 over 100 and 3 over 1000. Okay, question number 2. 4 times 100, it will be 400, plus 7 times 10, it will be 70, and 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 1 over 10, it will be 0.6, and 3 times 1 over 100 will be 300, and 7 times 1 over 1000, 7000. Okay, then the result will be 476,000 and 0.63 and 7. Question number 3. 4 and 68 thousandths. 4 and 68 thousandths. Next question. Number 4, we can write here this number 2 times 1 plus 6 times 1 over 1000. It will be 2 and 1 thousandths. 2 and 1 thousandths. It was question number 4. Question number 5. 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times tens, it will be 3 in tens, and 9 in thousands. Yes, right, 0 and 9. That was question number 5. Okay, solve it here, my students. Here, question number 6, we have 9 and 20 hundredths. 9 and 20 hundredths. Next question number 6, 9 and 20 hundredths. Or we can write 9.2. We called it 9 and 20 hundredths, or 9.2. 9 in, because 20 hundredths equal 2 tenths. The next question, we can write the decimal are equivalent number. We can put 0 by right hand side or cancel 0. Like this, we will put 0 or 0. 0.1, we can put 0 or double 0 as you like. Okay, next question. Board problems here. The annual fundraising goal of charity is $100,000. Of so far, 63,482 has been raised. How much more money is needed to reach the goal? We can find the difference between two numbers. Now this question, 100,000 subtract by this number. Okay, we have 100,000 and 63,482. We can write 100,000 subtract by 63,482. Bur 1, it will be 10 and 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. 10 minus 2 equal 8. 9 minus 8 1. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 6 3. The result will be 36,580. Next question, number 14. Santiago has a rope that measures 205 and 95 hundredths. Write this number in expanded form. We can write 200 plus 5 plus 9 tenths plus 5 hundredths. We call it expanded form, or you can write this word form. Okay, you can write this forma or write. Next question. Okay, I will expand it photo here like this. Okay, question number 13. How can you tell that 7 and 6, how is 30 and 7 and 63 are equivalent decimal? We can put 0 or here 7.630 equivalent 7.6 Why? Because the 7 and 630 thousandths equal 7 and 63 hundredths. 0 in the thousandths place adds no value of the number. Okay. Next question. In Jason's school, 125 thousandths students practice in a sport. There are 1,000 students in Justin's school. How many practice in sport? We can write this number product by what? Product by 1,000, two simplest. We can write 0.825 product by 1,000. If we product by 1,000, we must move the point right hand side by 3 places. The result will be 825. Next question, number 15. Maria incorrectly replaced the decimal point when she wrote this number 65 hundredths for each weeks. What is the correct decimal number of 6.5 each? That is would be what? This number product by 10. We can find the weights by product them. Okay, this number 65 hundredths times 10. We must move the point right hand side by 1 place. The result will be 6.5. Understood? He give us 65 hundredths inch for each width in her tablet computer. What is the correct decimal for each width? We must write 6.2. We call 6 and 5 tenths, or 6 and a half. Not this number, because it's the width of the tablet like this. We can write 6 and 5 inches. 6 and a half inches. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and a half. Okay, not this. This is not correct. Its answer not correct. 65. This is not correct. Next question. Boys cut out hundreds decimal direct this number. We can write this number here to complete. We have two parts and 1 and 0. We have two whole numbers and 1/10 is vertical because these models are shaded half of one model with the shaded two model. He shaded two models, it will be 2, and 1/10 is another 1/10 is two whole numbers and 1/10 is it's equivalent 2.10. Number, find two decimals that are equivalent. 4 times 10, it will be 40, and 7 times 100 will be 7 over 100, 700. We can add together to find the result. It will be 40 and 700. Okay, this number 40 and 700, or we can put 0 also here. Okay, this answer, or you can write 40 and put 0, 70,000. You can put 0 outside. Next question. Question number 5. Compare decimals. We can combine between the decimals like two numbers, 2 and 3/10 and 2 and 4/10 is less than, because we have 2 equal 2 and 3 less than 4. We can combine between two numbers. Okay, look at here by this example. We can combine between 3 and 576 thousandths and 3 and 432 thousandths. This number will be greater than 3.57 and 6 is greater than 3.43 and 2. This number greater than this number. Okay, and also we can combine by look at the whole numbers first. We have 3 and half, or 3 and 9 thousandths. This number greater than 3 equal 3, but equal point 5 greater than 0, then this number greater than 0. Next question. He asked about this number, which greatest. You can compare between the lengths. This number 498 and 521 thousandths. It's less than, and this number less than 0.5 and 5 and 0. We can compare between two numbers, 3.69 and 2, 3.697. This number 3 equal 3 and 6 equal 6, 9 equal 9, then 2 less than 7. So this number will be shows less than. Okay, choose the sign less than, but the correct answer here. Answer. This question scientists measured media and found it 3.44 centimeter long. And toy size that media is shorter than the orient because 3.44 has fewer digits than 3.432 is correct and not. We can compare between two numbers. No, because this number we can compare between these numbers 3.4 and 4, and also 3.43 and 2. This number greater than this number because 3 equal 3, 4 equal 4, 4 greater than 0. This number greater than this number. Okay, next question. We can arrange the numbers here. 5.540, arrange ascendingly from smallest to greatest. 5.5, 5.6, 5.6, 2, 5, and 5.631. This number we can arrange it also 0.675 and 0.693, 1.35, 1.53. Combining from left hand side. Okay, 0.67 and 5, 0.69 and 3, 1.3 and 5, 1.52 and 9. Okay, we can combine between two numbers from smallest here. 6, 7, 6, 9 is less than, and 0 less than 1, 1.3 less than 1.5. Next number, we can comparing here is your equivalent numbers. Also 7.733, 7.69, 7 greater than 6, 9.707, 9.717, it's less than. And this number, we can comparing the order decimal from greatest to smallest. You can arrange descendingly from greatest to smallest. 887 and 304 thousandths, 887 for 3 thousandths, 878 and 403 thousandths. The order here from left hand side to right hand side, from this number to smallest number. Okay, and also this number 436, 436 and 565, 435, 435, this number greater than. Okay, 436, 435, 435, but 435 and 0.6, 435.5 is greater than this number. Okay, understood. And the next example, we want rounding the decimal to the nearest tenths or the nearest hundredths, like this. We finish the next question here, page 23. Okay, we have also page here, page 24. Where page 24? Page 24. Okay, it's page number 26. Okay, we have page here 24. At 24, it's 23, this is 24 here. This example, he wants to find the result. Explain why is not responsible that 4.23 is less than this number, 4.2 and 3, and 4.135. This number is greater than 4 equal 4, 2 greater than 1. This 4.23 is greater than 4.135. Okay, and carries root 3 numbers between 0.3 and 3 and the number 0.3 and 4. We can put 0 here to equal parts and then put 3 numbers after this, right? 0.3, 3 and 1, and 0.3 and 3 and 2, and 0.3 and 3 and 3. Okay, we have 3 numbers lies between 2 numbers. Okay, vocabulary here, draw lines to match each decimal to left to its equivalent decimal. This number equivalent is, we have 0.75 equals 0.75 and 0. 1.5 and 0 equal 1.50 and 0. 0.075, it's equivalent 0.7075 and 0. We can put 0 outside here. Understood? And we have similar this example here, this number like this number. Okay, and join. Okay, greater than or less than, we have 0.5 and 6 over 10. Unit 6 over 10 it will be 0.6. Then 0.5 is less than 0.6. Areas mistake score were posted on the but in order from heights to lowest, so we can arrange. We want to arrange the number here least possible from score not available. The order from height to lowest, we can range from height to lowest. The one gets to smallest. The greatest number here 15 and 6. This number 15 and this number 66. Okay, 15 and 66 hundredths, and also 15 and 500, and then we can write 15 and 133, and last one 14 and 200 thousandths. Next question. Which is correct? Compare. We have 0.1 less than this number. Yes, the first is correct. The first number here is correct. And 0.2 less than? No. 2 less than 1? No. 125 greater than 125 thousandths and 12,000 greater than? Yes, this number 0.125 and 0.1 and 2. We can put 0 here. This number will be greater than. And last one, 1.26 less than 0.125. No. Again, this number 0.126. It's false. Okay, because here 126 and here 125. We must change the sign. Okay, it was this question. Now this time I will rounding. Okay, we have also questions here. Clara waited 4 and 16 pounds to apples at the grocery store. Which number makes the statement true? What is the number greater than this number? What is the number greater than 4.116? We have 4.19. Choose this. And also 4.2 than, and also we have this only. Question choose letter number 2 and number C only about this example. Okay, goodbye.